Progressive. Renters can save.
Come on, we gotta do it together. Oh, I'm going in here. Black fabric. Oh, this door does open. Okay. May have to get a buggy for this though. What'd you say? Okay, yeah. I think it's over there. Oh, look at this. So cute. With the little cherries. Oh my god, that is so darling. Gosh, y'all. And you know we in Texas, y'all. So it's all boots and them cowgirl hats. Yes. So cute. Even have the little Tupperware, like the little cup sets where you put your little soup in here and take it with you to go. Cute.
Okay, let's hold on.
I love this type of material.
Code 726, please. Code 720.
Especially when your brain has been working a bit of extra. Okay, I think this should be good. I'll start off with this.
So let me see what I can get out of it.
Okay, awesome.
At 2 2/3, and that'll give you your 8 foot in length. And then
See what type of material that is.
See how it is mixing up stuff.
I mean, well, that one is kind of like material, huh? Come over here. I don't know if I like that one. It's nice. Patchouli. Okay. That's okay. It smells like a doctor's office. Blackberry cardamom. Oh no.
That's smell good.
Yeah, that's a little.
French toast.
Okay, it smells like French toast. Ooh. Ooh, that's kind of strong as well. These are really long scent. This is it.
Coffee.
Oh my gosh, smells like you're brewing a cup of coffee. Literally. Okay. Like, what? You trying to hurry up?
You start having what you came for.
Aww, you're reminiscing over our baby. Said, does Avi need any onesies? You know she too big for onesies. She ain't no baby no more. In here? Oh my goodness.